right, last candle of the day. We're going to go through the 1 hour, we're going to go through the 4 hour, we're going to go through the daily candle. And of course, maybe some 15 minutes and such like that. So let's start with where we were following the 4 o'clock candle. Oh, sorry, following the 3 o'clock candle. We were looking for maybe possibly a rounded bottom kind of forming, or possibly further selling. Looks like there was a doji, kind of bullish closing doji. We still have this. Jesus, this channel has just been so well respected for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bars now. At some point, you kind of would like to see us get out of it somehow. Could be happening right now, but I mean, this is the first 15-minute candle of the day, so we are expecting it to be a little bit crazy. Currently, it is an outside up bar. We'll see how it closes. Maybe it'll be an outside down bar. Maybe it remains an outside up bar. Maybe we break out of this range. We'll have to see. That would be nice as well for the rounding of the bottom here, kind of thing. And maybe we start making a little bit of a push upward. This is looking a little bit on here. This is looking a little bit currently more bullish than bearish, but that could change very easily as long as all this has to do is start closing a bit lower than it is right now. Let's take a look at the 4 hour chart, or the 4 hour candle. Pretty much exactly what we were expecting. I guess technically this is like a bear signal bar if we can break out of this bars range, but I'm not sure. It is at the top of this channel, so we could theoretically see some lower prices, but I think it's also definitely possible that even if we are going to see lower prices, we do something like this first. So not getting a whole lot out of this 4 hour candle. Obviously, we had this super strong bar, and maybe you can almost say that we've formed a little bit of a range here that we could maybe expect to kind of test and see if we want to remain inside of this range. You can build it in any of these ways. And the reason it's not so important that we're building the range from here to up here, because it's a 9% range. What are we really going to be talking about? It's just somewhat important to know where your boundaries are and kind of make decisions based on that. Wow, Ethereum is looking quite strong here. Wow. Ethereum didn't care at all about the big dump. Probably Ethereum was the place to be. The last, oh my gosh, look at this candle. Look at this candle from Ethereum, bro. 1 day, 10%, nuts. Anyway, our daily candle closed nicely. Obviously, we still are in this channel, but this is an outside up bar. And a strong outside up bar at that, closing above the open of the prior bar, so it's like an outside up body as well. So this is, maybe decent. We have one leg down, second leg down possibly. Maybe we kind of look for something like this, a little pull back into this region, buy that up, and then go for a pump. So I think that's probably what we will be looking for the next couple 4 hour candles. Ideally, we would like to see something like maybe a small bar here, and then a dump bar, and then a small bar there, and then a pump, pump, pump. But that's daily, and after such a strong fluctuation of a 9% range on the last bar, I wouldn't expect this current bar to just be like a little 1%, 2% kind of bar in this area and do nothing. So definitely going to see what we have on the table here. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, we're still looking for we were looking for the resolution of this one leg down, second leg down, and then hoping that we would get a third kind of attempt down and a bounce, which could be this bar right here, could be this bar, getting the third push down and then a bounce. It's hard to say, especially when we have this channel, clear channel, right? So we just kind of have to wait and be a little bit patient and see what the market gives us and go from there. Yeah, like I said, we're still in this tight channel, very clear spike and channel. So if we do break upward, I mean, we still haven't gotten 3 pushes down. So maybe if we're able to print this as a red outside down bar, maybe we do a 3rd push and then we start pushing back up. But up to 61,000 would be the beginning of the channel. So not really much of a trade there to take. So yeah, I think it makes a lot more sense to just be patient right now. And that's all that we have to do for this 1 day's candle work here. I'm going to do now. Now I'll try and evaluate the trades that we had today on the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frame. And yeah, thanks for watching. Who's watching? If we're being real.